Dax, come take your medicine.
No, I don't like it.
I know you don't like it, but you have to take it.
Not to play outside.
No, remember the stairs are broken.
When everyday life happens, a special needs child can present special challenges. Special Needs Respite has answers to those special challenges. With qualified caregivers trained in all those areas that make your child special and your life challenging. Because everyday tasks can prevent you and your child from living the life you really want. Special Needs Respite is a breath of fresh air. A trained caregiver coming right to your home. Delivering a helping hand with your most precious family members. Giving you the time to finish the everyday tasks. That allow you to really live life every day.
Special Needs Respite, turning generosity into hope.
Visit specialneedsrespite.org and spend more of your day living.